Mathematics is not about numbers or equations. Mathematics is about understanding. Welcoming you all today by Mathematics to TAN 90. We are here to do Mathematics D2, Topic 1, Practice Now 7. So let's begin. Alright, let's read this question. The length L centimeter of a simple pendulum is directly proportional to the square of its period. So this is the length which we are talking about, this length, okay? And the period is time taken for one complete oscillation. So that means what is the oscillation? When this pendulum bob, it starts from here, it comes over here, and then it goes back over here. So this completes one oscillation, and the time taken for this is known as the period. So a pendulum with a length of 220.5 centimeter has a period of 3 seconds. We need to find an equation connecting L and T. So this is very easy. We know that L is the length which is directly proportional to the square of period. So that means T square. So first we need to find the K. Okay. So K will be L upon T square, not T, because there is a relationship between L and T square. Okay. So L upon T square. Upon T square. Okay. So the value of L is 220.5 and T, that is the time period, that is 3. So K will be 220.5 upon 3 seconds. That 3 square. So 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 3 will be 9, and this will be 220.5 divided by 9, which is 24.5. So our K will be 24.5. So this equation will be L is equal to KT square. Okay. So L and K will be 24.5 T square. Okay. So we have completed our part 1. Alright. So now let's start part 2. So we will keep this equation because this equation will be useful in part 2 and 3 as well. Find the length of the pendulum which has a period of 5 seconds. So very easy. The period is 5 seconds. We just need to put this 5 in place of this T. So when we put this, so L will be equal to 24.5 multiplied by T square. So what will be 5 square? That is 25. So 24.5 multiplied by 25. That is 612.5. 612.5 centimeters. So this is our length. Okay. Now part number 3. What is the period of pendulum which has a length of 0.98 meters? So now the length is 0.98 meters and we need to find the period of that pendulum. Okay. 24.5 T square. Now, did you notice one thing over here? That this length is in meters. And yes, we need our length in centimeters. So now we have to convert this length to centimeters. So we will convert it as 98 is equal to 24.5 T square. Okay. Now our answer will be 98 divided by 24.5, which will equal to T square. And then we will underroot it. So we will get the answer. Let's see. 98 divided by 24.5, that is T square. Okay. So what is 98 divided by 24.5? Yes, it is 4. So our value of T square will be 4. Now what do we need to do? We need to find such value of T which when we raise to the power of 2 will give us 4. So yes, we will introduce under root on both sides. And now, since our answer will be in seconds, it is time, it cannot be negative. So our answer will be t is equal to 2 seconds. And hence we have done our practice now 7. See you later. Thank you. And don't forget to comment on this video. Bye.